Welcome everyone, I am still Job. This is our 9th tutorial on Access databases, and in this tutorial we are going to be learning how we can create reports. I have another question for you here that you'll do at your time, but I'm going to use one of the databases we have just finished to create reports from it. So let's open our database called the LQPS database, and then using this LQPS database we are going to generate reports. So we are just going to generate first. We are going to learn the basics of a report. So you just click on the table. Okay, here is the deal. You can create a report from a table or from a query. Okay, you can create a report from a table or from a query. Like if I want to just get the report of all those things we have passed, I can just click on this query. I go to create. I click on the report. It generates for me a report of these students who have passed. You can see it generates for me a list of these students who have passed. That's it. That's as simple as you want. And then you just come here, right click, choose report view. That's your report. But now if we are to print this report, let's try to check on print preview. If we are to print this report, it chops some fields halfway and stuff like that. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to adjust this report such that our fields are not actually cut off, or our data is not cut off. It should be displayed in only one page like this. Another option to do that is to actually change the page layout to landscape, but still that may not work if we have, you see, it's not going to work because we don't still have those other data the other side. So what we can do is we go back to the design view. Then in the design view we adjust this widths. We adjust just the way you are designing your form. It's just easy. Drag, pull it there, select this, drag, select this, come here, drag, pull it here until you can fit it in one page. Select that, select this, drag, pull it here, select this. Actually I'm doing this because you may be required to print your report, and your report should fit in the same page. Click. So you also drag this here, click here, select this. We want everything to be viewed. Pull it here, select this, by default it actually adjusts those widths, so you don't know about them, but you can actually readjust them to fit your needs. Select this. Actually this can now help. So when you go to report view, you can see actually you are able to view every information on the same page. Now when you go to print, complaints because you have just adjusted certain things, we can actually be able to see everything. Even if you change our page layout to portrait, we can be able to print. Now this is the real stuff, you see. So this is how you can actually work with the reports. Yeah, that's how you can work with the reports. So you can actually export this report as a PDF or as an XPS. And if you can see, our total number of elements is not appearing well, so you can also go to design view. Down here you adjust it. You adjust the width of this. So you can go to report view back, you see. So that's how actually create reports in Access. So and then say the report is called past. Yeah, it has been saved. That's how we can create a report from a query. You can also create a report from table. click on the table, click on create, just choose report, then click on report view. That is it. Then you can actually save your report. Yes, let's just save it like that. Then another thing is you can actually create custom reports, like you select your own fields. So you can click on that, you go to create, you go to report wizard. Okay, you go to report wizard. Now you can select few fields. You can say I just need this, I need an index number, I need the first name, I need just science, SST, English, math. I don't mind about the others. Then you say next. So you can also group. You can say like maybe I want to group by index number. That's enough for me. Then I say next. We can sort. We say want to sort by. You can also sort the records by say first name in ascending. Then you say next. We can now, here is where you choose your report design, how it should look like. That is stepped. But if you want block, this is how block will look. If you want outline, that's how your outline will look. So let's choose outline. Let's say next. Our report name shall be people's list, because we are generating everything. Actual marks it. So this is a marks it. Yes, that's a marks it. Then you say finish. So that's actually our marks it. You see, index number 1, first name Kamsim, science that. So it creates that list, meaning you can actually go and cut this. That's that person's report. You cut this is this one's report. You cut this is this one's report. So that's how you can actually custom design your report. Yeah, that's it. And that's all with creating reports, guys. See you in the next video tutorial.